All right, this is the math lesson for Tuesday, April 21st. Yesterday we talked about mean, or the average. Today we're going to go over median and mode. And with median, you need to remember the word middle. And with mode, remember the word most. Okay, so we have an example here. The table shows the number of monkeys at 11 different zoos. Find the median and mode of the data. So we have all this data, 28, 36, 18, 25, 12, and so on. The way you find the median or the middle number is you have to order the data. You have to order the data from least to greatest. So you start here with the least, which is 12. And one way that I do it is I cross it off. So I've done the 12. Then I think the next highest is 16. Okay, so I make sure I have that one. Then 18, good. There's two 18s, so you got to put both of them. 18, then 18. There's a 25. Then there's a 28. 28's right here. That's good. Then there's a 30, a 34, a 36. We're going in order from least to greatest. 42, and finally a 44. Then the way I do it is I got to find the center one. If there's an even number, it'll be always perfectly one number. So I cut off one on that end, one on that end. Now I do another one over here, another one over here. So that's 2 on both sides. Then I do another one here, 3 on each side. Do that one, 4 on each side, 5 on each side, and the middle one is 28. So 28 is the center or the middle, and on this set of data, 28 would be your median. Now mode, I would do the same thing. I would put them in least to greatest, and then you want to see which number occurs the most. Now, there's only two 18s. No other number has a repeated one, so 18 is the most common, or the mode. All right. So that would be how you find the median and the mode. Let's do some examples, and then I'll have you kind of go on your own. All right, here's one that says, find the median and the mode of the following set of data, monthly spending. Okay, so I'm going to do the median first. Median equals middle. Now I have to have them in order from least to greatest. Okay, least 46, 42, 40. Okay, I'm going to underline it. So 40, then a little bigger would be 42. Then, do we have any more 40s? We have this 46 here. Okay, 46. Now, I don't think anything else in the 40s. Let's go to the 50s. 57, 50, and 56. So 50, and then, so I done that one. Now I have 56 and 57. 56, 57. So I did 56 and 57. Now to the 60s, I have 62 and 62. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 numbers. All right. Now I have them in order from least to greatest. Now I need to find out which is the middle. So I'm going to take one off each end, another one off each end, another one off each end. Ooh. So now I have these two. So the middle of it would be between 50 and 56. And the way you find the middle there is you add them together. 50 plus 56. You're getting the mean or the average of these two numbers. So if I do 50 plus 56, it gives me 106. And then if I divide that by 2, because I had two numbers here, that equals 53. So 53 is right in the middle. 53 is my median. Okay. Now mode is the one used most often. So let me write out the numbers again. So I had a 40, a 42, a 46, a 50, 56, 57, 62, and 62. Which one is used the most? Well, this is used once. This one and this one. They're twice. So my mode equals 62. And that's how you find the median, which is the middle, and the mode, the one that's used the most. Okay? One more practice. All right, this one talks about describe the daily high temperature using measures of center. Now, measures of center would be median and mode. So let's do the median first. So I have to put these in order. So where's my smallest one? Oh, there's a 24. So I put 24, 31, and 31. So I do a 31, 31, now 33, 34, 35, and my last one is 36. Okay. Now I want to find the center. Take off one on each end, another one on each end, another one on each end. Sweet. And it leaves me with exactly one right in the middle. My median is 33. Now I want to see which one is used the most. 24 is 1, 31, 31. Those are used twice. 33 is once, 34 once, 35 once, 36 once. So the one that's used the most equals 31. The mode would be the 31. So your median is 33. Your mode is 31. All right, let's have some fun now. Let's play the little game. You pause the video and look at the problem on the video. Do it on a separate sheet of paper, and then come back and watch it and see if you got it correct. Okay, go ahead and pause. All right, you're back, and hopefully you've done this one. Find and compare the median and the mode. All right, so let's do the median first. Median is middle. I have to order the numbers. I have the test scores of 95, 85, 92, and 86. Those are my 4 test scores. So I'm going to start with the smallest one, which would be 85. Then I go a little bigger, which is 86. Then I go a little bigger, 92. And then the last one is 97. All right, now I want to find the middle. So cross out one on each end, and I'm left with these two. I have to find the middle of those two, so I add them together and divide by 2. 86 plus 92 equals 178 divided by 2 is 89. Has to be in the middle here some way. And it's bigger than 86, but smaller than 92. So my median in this set of data is 89. Now the mode as we look at those four numbers, do not have any repeating. So let's see what we would do here. Oops, where am I going? Okay, when you have something that has no repeating, so for mode, you don't have one. So there is no mode because there's nothing to compare. There's no one that's used the most. All right, we're not going to worry about this one here. I just wanted you to do that one. Get the median of that and the mode of that. Okay, let's do another one. We got a set of data here. We want to find the median and the mode of this. Median. Let's do the median first. Now, there's quite a few numbers. Let's see, it's a 3 by 4. So there's 12 numbers. I'm going to write these out in order, starting with the smallest. I see that I have some 40s and 50s. 40s. Okay, I do have a 40. Do I have anything bigger? What's the next bigger one? I have 41 here. And then, how about, oh my gosh, I made a mistake. Because I underlined it, I had two 40s. So I got to put that back here. So I have a 40, and then a 41. The reason why I underline it is because I just missed one, so I want to make sure I'm getting it. Now, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 44s. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 44s. I have a 46. Then I have a 50. I have two 50s. And then I have a 52 and a 52. 52. Least to greatest. Now, I know I have 12 numbers here. I want to make sure I have 12 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, good. Now, I have to find the middle. So I'm going to take one off the end. Take another one. We're slowly working our way to the middle. Okay, I've taken 4 off each side. Let's take another one. Take 5 off each side. Then I'm left with these two. And if I find the middle of those, if I do 44 plus 44, that equals 88 divided by 2. So my center is 44. Right in the middle. So my median equals 44. Now, the most, let me rewrite these. 40, 40, 41, 44, 44, 44, 44, 46, 50, 50, 52, 52. I want to see which one has the most. That would be my mode. So this one and this one, there are two 40s. There's only one 41. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 44s, 1 46, 2 50s, and 2 52s. So if I look at which one's the most, it's this one right here. So my mode equals 44. Oh, and look at the median and the mode are exactly the same. They're the center. Okay, one last one, and then I have some problems for you to try on your own. All right, we're back to the cranes and the panthers. We dealt with this in the mean, but now we're doing median and mode. go ahead and pause this, give it a try, and then come back and see how you did. Okay, let's go with the cranes first. I want to get the median. So I put them in order. Let's see, 31 is the smallest. And then, I have another 31. Then I have a 38. So there's only 3 30s. Okay, 31, 31, 38. Now let's go to 40. I see a 42. And I see a 48. And then last one is a 50. Should have 6 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. Now I just need to find the middle. Take one off there, one off there, one there, one there. And I'm left with these two. So I take 38 plus 42. That gets me 80 divided by 2. That is 40. So my median equals 40 for the cranes. Now let's go to the most. Most of the cranes. So this 31 is one time. Oh no, it's 2 times. There's 2 31s, 138, 142, 148, and 150. So 31 is the most. Oops. And I should have said not so much the most. Should have said mode. And this is the cranes. Now let's go to the Panthers. I'll do that one in blue. So let's do the median first of the Panthers. What's the smallest one here? It looks like there's just 136. Oh, I should write it correctly. So there's 36. Now I have 140, 2 40s, 3 40s. 1, 2, 3. What's a little higher? 42. I have 2 42s. 42, 42. And I should have 6 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. Now let's find the median. Take one off there, one off there, one there, one there. And I have 40. So add those together, divide by 2. The median equals 40. Now let's do mode, the most. So I see that 36 is 1, 40 is 1, 2, 3. There's 3 40s, and there's 2 42s. So because 40 has 3, that's the most. So my mode is 40. And that is for the Panthers. B says, which team had the better record? I would say the Panthers, because both their median and their mode are greater than both of the cranes. So here I would say the Panthers. Looking at the data. Okay. So I will send you a page to do some mode problems and some median, or median and then mode, something like that. Okay? After today, you will be able to find the mean, which is the average, the median, which is the middle, and the mode, which is the most. Let me know if you have any questions.